Today I'm going to be showing you how to make TikTok videos in Premiere Pro. Now the first thing you'll do is go up to New Project. It'll bring you onto a big page like this with a bunch of files. Ignore all that for now. Go up to the top left where it should be highlighted as untitled. So you're going to want to delete that and rename it to something you'll remember. I'll just call it TikTok 1. And then you'll go down to the bottom right and click Create. Now it's going to bring you to a blank page. Make sure you have your new project selected. You might have other stuff if you've done stuff in the past. Make sure you have your new one selected. This only controls this bottom left here. So you're going to want to click this new item. This little, looks like a post-it note down here. Click that and then click Sequence. Now it's going to bring up a tab like this. You're going to want to click 1080p 59 FPS. You're going to be highlighted over that, and then go up to settings, and then this is going to be your frame size. So for a standard 1080p video, it's 1920 across and 1080 tall. What you're going to want to do is flip that, go 1080 across and 1920 tall, and then you can go down here and name the sequence anything you'd like. I'll just call it Test Video TikTok. And then you can click OK. Now it's going to actually bring you up your media here, which you don't have any. Now we're going to worry about that. So you're selected on this. You can see right here that it says Test Video TikTok. And if you go up here, it looks like a TikTok format. Now to get videos into here, you can bring up any folder. I have this folder of some GoPro footage I filmed at my arcade. I'm going to just click one of these, drag it in. Now it's going to pop up. This clip has, this clip was filmed in 1080p, like a normal video format. So I'm going to click Keep Existing Settings because I don't want to change the settings to the video. I want to keep the ones I just made. So I'm going to keep existing settings. Now for a lot of you guys that film on your phone or GoPro or something like that, it's going to look very weird at the beginning. So what you're going to want to do is find your section. Let's just say we'll take right here where I'm stocking this machine. Take a little section, delete, delete. Now if you go up to the top left, you want to be on Edit, and then you'll want to be on Effect Controls. I'm going to make this bigger for you guys. And then right here it says Position, Scale. You're going to go to Scale. Make sure you're highlighted on the video here. Go to Scale, and then you can hold left click and drag to the right. And it will drag left and right, and you can make it bigger or smaller. You're going to want to make it just big enough to fill the whole screen. Now I usually just click this, and a good one is 178 for videos that are 1080p. So that's what I do. And then you can use this position to change left, right, up, down. You're just going to mainly want to focus on left and right, which is the first one here.